Hi, I'm Staff Sergeant Austin Lehman. I'm an indirect fire infantryman with Gunfighter Company, 1st of the 506th. I am part of 3 different projects we have designed here at Eagle Werks. So the first project that we created was the 3D printed 6mm mortar sight that attaches to the cannon. The reason why we came up with this idea is because there's actually no safe way to shoot handheld. We always use it in different ways of using our thumb as an iron sight. And to try to prevent injury, we created the iron sight that attaches to this right here to slide the crew member's hands down and accurately place time fires. And then we created a Picatinny rail that attaches the side of it for an RMR so that you won't even have to use your hands at all. All right, so right here we actually have 3 different parts of the mortar round. We actually have the main body, which is where the explosive or different type of munition that we use on the mortar round. We created the M734 Alpha 1 multi-option fuse to allow as a training aid to go between impact, delay, and different proximity settings for the soldiers. And then we created our own rendition of the multi-option fuse that screws in top of this mortar round so we can slide it down the cannon and pull it right back up with some cord to go over how to accurately insert the round into the drop fire weapon system. So we 3D printed a 60mm mortar round. Reason being is because there's actually no training aid to be used as a mortar round here in the United States Army. A civilian company came up with one, but it costed way too much money to actually be ordered for the units. So we reached out here to Eagle Werks to 3D print a 1-to-1 replica for soldiers to use outside of my MOS, specifically 11 Bravos, so we could cross-train them on the 60mm mortar cannon in a safe and controlled environment. So how I found out about Eagle Werks was actually just driving down here and then walking in and talking to the multitude of people that we have in here that are specializing in different departments of the R&D that goes into this building. And then I just broadcasted the idea that I had to try to create a safer environment for soldiers to train and to accurately use mortars in a combat scenario. And now the idea came to fruition and now we're just making it happen.